The ZANU-PF annual conference held in Butare from October 13 to 18 marked a watershed moment in Zimbabwe politics. President Emmerson Mnangagwa secured a party resolution to extend his rule beyond the 2028 constitutional term limit to 2030. This maneuver, widely perceived as a constitutional coup, has reshaped the internal power dynamics of the ruling party and cast doubt on Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's political tenure. Sanabina mashoko kuda panguwa ino macritics achicriticize the move nezvakaitika pa the last week conference. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tendra mberi munamobda nyuka mjinzi. Mnangagwa's success in pushing the 2030 agenda reflects a calculated yet multi-prolonged strategy. Number 1, institutional control. By anchoring the term extension within ZANU-PF's formal structures, Mnangagwa demonstrated his dominance over his party machinery. Number 2, his disparate loyalists effectively rallied support for provincial delegates, framing the extension as a continued measure for stability and development. Number 3, economic leverage. Backed by affluent business allies, Mnangagwa's campaign was well-resourced, enabling him to outmaneuver General Chiwenga's faction, which lacked comparable financial muscle. Number 4, strategic reshuffles within the Zimbabwe Defense Forces weakened General Chiwenga's traditional power base, severing his deep institutional ties, reducing his leverage. General Chiwenga's attempt to challenge President Mnangagwa through a corruption dossier and proxy campaigns fell short due to several factors. Number 1, his anti-corruption crusade was reframed by Mnangagwa's camp as a politically motivated attack, undermining its legitimacy. Number 2, since leaving the army, General Chiwenga's influence has waned, and his reliance on military loyalty proved insufficient. Number 3, lack of political infrastructure. Unlike Mnangagwa, General Chiwenga failed to build robust social or political base, leaving him exposed and isolated. Number 4, resource deficiency. His campaign lacked the financial backing necessary to sustain momentum or counter Mnangagwa's well-funded initiatives. Mnangagwa's maneuvering signals a shift in succession planning rather than honoring an implicit pact with Chiwenga. He appears to be grooming alternative successors, such as Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander Philip Valerius Vanda or businessman Kudakwa Chitagure, who are seen as more loyal to his post-president interests. While Mnangagwa is emerged victorious in the round, the long-term consequences remain uncertain. Chiwenga, though weakened, may regroup and recalibrate. His next moves will depend on whether he can build a viable political coalition, secure resources, and redefine his strategy beyond military influence. The battle may be lost. The war for Zimbabwe's political future is far from over. Domashwa aripo muri Zimbabwe. Kuduza mafundo enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitwa ichi. Pinda comment section medu za mafundo enyu. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.